Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Huntington secured credit card online. Easy setup, step by step, clearly. To activate your Huntington secured credit card online, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Huntington National Bank official website. Look for the login option typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to access your account. If you already have an online banking account, enter your username and password, then click Login. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one. On the login page, find the option that says Enroll or Sign Up. Follow the prompts to provide your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Once your account is created, log in using your new credentials. After logging in, locate the Account Services or Card Services section. Find the option to activate your secured credit card. Click on the activation link. You will be prompted to enter your card number, expiration date, and security code from the back of your card. After entering the required information, click Submit to complete the activation process. Once your card is activated, you should receive a confirmation message on the screen. You may also receive a confirmation email regarding your card activation. Keep your card information secure and begin using your Huntington secured credit card responsibly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.